At Hyundai, the GT postfix for the Elantra means a hatchback body style, not the auto's driving air. One needs to add sport to the nameplate, keeping in mind the end goal to give some confidence to the entire great tourer thought. The Elantra GT Sport's central overhaul over the plain Elantra GT is in the motor room, where it floor brushes the milquetoast 161 HP 2.0-liter inline-4 and replaces it with a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4 with 201 strength and 195 lb-ft of torque. The 1.6-liter is combined with a 6-speed manual as in our test auto or a 7-speed double grasp programmed. Watching out toward the more extensive world, the GT Sport's 201 stallions and 195 lb-ft adjust intimately with the Honda Civic C's 205 strength and 192 lb-ft. Also, in fact, only 0.1 second isolated the Hyundai's run to 60 miles per hour from the Hondas, and their quarter-mile times are indistinguishable. The Elantra GT Sport out-hustles the 180 HP Civic Sport hatchback, 7.0 seconds to 60, and the 184 HP 2.5-liter Mazda 3, 7.4 seconds. It misses the mark regarding the 220 HP Volkswagen GDI, be that as it may, which needs just 5.9 seconds to barrage to 60 miles per hour. The Elantra's 1.6-liter Turbo 4 pulls firmly from its 1500 RPM torque top, yet too awful this motor doesn't sound better. Run it up past 4000 RPM or somewhere in the vicinity and you're ambushed with an empty reverberation. This isn't a motor that asks to be wrung out. The 6-speed shifter moves effectively through the doors, and the grip isn't precarious to balance despite the fact that there isn't much meat to its activity. The GT Sport is very much prepared at its $24,135 base cost, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto usefulness, warmed front seats, calfskin upholstery, a closeness key and push catch start, blind side observing, raise cross movement alarm, and LED headlights and tail lights. Genuine, the Civic Sport is very nearly $2,000 less expensive, however it has none of the things recorded previously. The Civic Si vehicle, the Si isn't accessible as a hatchback, begins at $24,990 and all the more nearly reflects the Hyundai's hardware, despite the fact that regardless it needs calfskin and LED lights. The stellar GDI S costs $27,265, however you have to move up to the $31,320 GDI SE to get a significant part of the Elantra's gear. Cowhide still is another $695. The GDI Autobahn trim brings standard cowhide and VW's driver help includes yet costs $35,920.